So another tricky part about the Google Classroom import is that if you had an assignment where you made a copy for each student, it's not going to automatically do that for you. You have to link the Schoology assignment to that actual file in Google Drive. So it's a few extra steps, but still easier than recreating everything, right? So here's, I'm going to go here to session 3. And you'll see I have 3 different assignments in here. So let's start with the first one, work values. I'm going to click on the gear and go to edit. And you'll notice nothing in here says it's creating a copy for a student. It's not going to. It's just going to link these files, and that's not what I want. This first one is the assignment they're going to do. These are supporting resources for them. But this work values chart, I need to find that and attach it. So I'm going to go to Google Drive, and of course the name is right here, work values chart combined. So I'm going to look for that, work values. And let's see what it finds. Here it is, chart combined. So here it is. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click attach. Now you'll see that it's attached here, and it says this will create a copy of the file for each student, and you're going to save that. So that's it. You just have to go in and do that for every single assignment that's made a copy for a student. A little tedious, but still quicker than recreating everything from scratch.